Nick Rutter from McKees37.com. Today I want to show you a detailing hack on my 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Now, I filmed a series of videos showing the paint restoration. When I got this vehicle, it was in pretty rough shape. I wasn't intending on buying it, but I got it for such a fantastic deal that I saw a diamond in the rough and I restored the paint, installed new Bilsteins all around, wheels and tires off a new 4Runner, upgraded the sway bar end links, and it drives like a brand new 4Runner for a fraction of the price. Now, there's still one piece left that I have not restored, and that's this B-pillar plastic here. Now, on a modern vehicle, meaning the last 25, 30, 35 years, your B-pillar, which, just for a quick education, this is your A-pillar, this is your B-pillar, that's your C-pillar, and that's on every single vehicle, okay? Now, the B-pillar is either going to be this smooth black plastic, which when the vehicle's brand new, it looks great. Or if it's a more expensive vehicle, it's going to be a gloss black, which in that case, you would treat it just like you would treat paint. It can develop swirl marks, and it's really easy to polish, and you can wax it. Now, with this black plastic, what happens over time is it discolors and it oxidizes. And a conventional plastic trim restore doesn't really work on this material because there's really no texture to it. So the detailing hack I want to show you consists of our Carini Collection 572 all-in-one ceramic polish. This cleans, polishes, and protects, and I'm going to show you how to restore it because traditionally this product was developed for paint. This is an off-label application, but it works phenomenal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish this plastic trim because essentially what happens is over time this oxidizes and it becomes this gray cloudy material and it looks like garbage. So I'm going to polish it, and for that I'm going to use our Flex PXC80. I've got a million videos on this guy. If you've ever talked to me on the phone, I've probably sold a couple dozen of you guys these tools, at least from YouTube alone. They're awesome machines. Battery powered, different size pads, different size backing plates, made in Germany, very smooth, adjustable speed, includes 2 batteries, weighs like 2.5 pounds. Awesome tool. And I have it equipped with our 3 3/4 inch white redline foam polishing pad. So to show the before and after, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually apply a tape line here for a visual indicator. And you'll see just how well 572 works on this plastic trim. And number 572, besides this off-label use, it's a fantastic all-in-one to keep it simple for your exterior detail on your paint. So it cleans to remove embedded dirt, polishes to a high gloss, and seals for a long-lasting shine. So take some product, and it doesn't take a whole much, and I want you to take a look at this pad. This pad is white. In a couple seconds, this pad's not going to be white anymore. So I got my machine, stick the pad flat on the surface, never turn the tool on until the pad is flat on the surface. And I'm simply going to go a slow hand motion on the higher speed, applying medium downward pressure, and I'm just polishing. This tool is lightweight, it weighs nothing, smooth, quiet. So remember I told you this pad was white? It started off this color. Now check this out. And the reason that pad is black now is because it just removed 11 years of oxidation off this B-pillar. Take my microfiber towel. This is our orange 365 edgeless, phenomenal towel. I'm gonna wipe off the excess. And I want you to come in, Mr. Cameraman, as I remove this tape line, because it is going to be a dramatic before and after difference. Big difference. And that's with just a few passes of the Carini Collection 572 all-in-one ceramic polish. And you know, with the Carini Collection, what's really cool is each product, the number represents a famous engine size. So the 572 is a GM big block, and you can still purchase that to this day as a crate motor. So I'm going to finish the rest of it the same process. I got my tape off now, and take my polish. And if I look like I'm sweating, it's because it is really hot out here. I live in South Florida. Today it's about 90 degrees. Heat index is probably 100. And I've been working outside restoring the the side steps on this FJ. That's why my hands have textured bed liner all over them. So this is the real world. I always like to say our videos, you know, we don't go through a lot of mock-up. You know, this is, hey, grab the camera, grab the product. We see an opportunity, we go for it. So add some more polish, slap it on the surface, turn the machine on. And if you get some polish in between the doors there, it's no big deal. You open the door and you wipe it up. Now, 572, it's also safe for glass and of course painted surfaces. So I could switch to a smaller pad, like our 1-inch pad for example, but I'm pretending like this is a production detail setting. I'm just gonna buzz over this. I'm gonna keep it simple. Turn my speed up. Do it real fast, keep it real simple. Take my towel, wipe off what's left. And that's it. This plastic trim looks brand spanking new. And I'll get my little detail brush and I'll get in there in the cracks and remove some excess for the finer details. But you can see with just a few passes on this Flex PXE80, along with our 572 ceramic polish, made this trim look brand spanking new. So I'm Nick Rutter from McKees37.com. If you like videos like this, if you like detailing hacks, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below. I'm always open to suggestions on what we should film. And for more information, visit McKees37.com. Thank you so much for the support. Take care, and God bless.